Hello friends, I am Varsha Raj. Today I am going to teach you circle generating algorithm. Circle generating algorithm is used for drawing a circle. There are two popular algorithms for generating a circle. One is midpoint circle algorithm and the second one is Bressenham circle drawing algorithm. In this video we will learn midpoint circle algorithm, and in the next video we will learn the second one, Bressenham circle drawing algorithm. So what is midpoint circle algorithm? An algorithm which is used to determine the points needed for rasterizing a circle. Algorithm used to determine the points needed for rasterizing a circle. Rasterizing means converting the vector formula into a pixel form. This is known as rasterizing. So this algorithm is used for determining the points needed for rasterizing a circle. So what we will have to do? So look here. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So here is the circle, and we have to find all the required points of this octant. We have to find all the required points of this octant. And if we find the required points of this octant, in the same way we will find all other 7 octants. So there are 8 octants. तो सबसे पहले हम लोगों को इस वाले ऑक्टेंट के सारे पॉइंट्स को निकालना है, और सेम वे में हम लोग सारे ऑक्टेंट्स के पॉइंट को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज सर्किल होल्ड्स द सिमेट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टी. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू फाइंड द ओनली वन ऑक्टेंट्स. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड थ्रू द एल्गोरिथम पार्ट. So this is the algorithm. Step 1. In step 1, input radius r and center xc yc and obtain the first point on the circumference of a circle centered on the origin as x0 y0 is equals to 0r. Here y is equals to radius and x0 is equals to 0. तो इनिशियल पॉइंट जो होगा हम लोगों का वो x is equals to 0 और y is equals to r है. In the step 2, calculate the initial value of the decision parameter as p is equals to 1.25 minus r. Here we are calculating the initial value of the decision parameter, and note one thing, that if radius r is in an integer, then we can simply round p is equals to 1 minus r. Means if radius is in the floating form or in the decimal form, then we will find the initial value of the decision parameter by using this formula, p is equals to 1.25 minus r, and if the radius is an integer, then we can use this formula, p is equals to 1 minus r. In step 3, we are executing the do while loop. In the first line, plot xy, जो हमारी initial point है उसको हम लोग plot करेंगे. In the second line, this is the condition statement. If p is less than 0, then x is equals to x plus 1, y is equals to y, p is equals to p plus 2x plus 1. Otherwise, if p is greater than 0, then x is equals to x plus 1, y is equals to y minus 1, and p is equals to p plus 2x minus 2y plus 1. And while x is less than 0 means the termination condition of this while loop is x is greater than y. जब तक x की वैल्यू y से कम होगी तभी तक ये लूप चलेगा, और जैसे ही x की वैल्यू y से ग्रेटर हो जाएगी देन द लूप विल स्टॉप, लूप विल टर्मिनेट. एंड step 4, determine symmetry points in the 7 octants. As we have studied earlier that we have to find the required points of one octant, and then in the same way we will find the all other 7 octants. Step 5, stop. So this is the algorithm of the midpoint circle algorithm, and in the next video I will explain you the example and how to plot a graph. Thank you so much. I hope you will like this.